Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we'll be configuring PIX LINK repeater, and what we'll be doing in here today is to changing the default login password. First, we need to log into the repeater with the default IP address. We're going to input the default password, which is admin in lowercase. I'll have to move that. Then next, we click on advanced. Then go to system. Yes, that's where you're going to change your password. You click system. The first, you input the current password. In our case, what's our current password is the admin. So you put admin. Then you go ahead to put what you want to use as a new password and confirm. Click on apply. Wait for about a few seconds. Let's say 3 to 5 seconds, and that'll be all. We are done, guys. Very simple. This is the easiest way you can actually change your default password to avoid any intruder to be able